your legs forward for Paschimottanasana. Flex your feet. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, maximum forward bend. Pull the belly in, lengthen your spine downwards. Inhale, slowly rise up. Take your right foot over the left thigh for Ardha Padma Paschimottanasana. Pulse your right thigh a little if you're feeling tight. Inhale, extend your spine. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, slowly come up. Release the right leg. Take the left foot over the right thigh. Engage the right foot. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, come up and release the left leg. Baddha Kona Asana, get your feet in front of you, joining your feet together. Maintain a fist distance between your groin and the foot. Grab onto your feet, roll your shoulder blades back and forward bend. Engage the belly. With every exhale, try to go as deep as you can. Do not force. Try to play within your limits. Inhale, slowly come up. Open your legs up for Upavishta Kona Asana. Flex your feet, engage your foot. Place your hands in front of you. With every exhale, try to go a little deeper. Play within your limits, do not force. Engaging the belly, try to go to your deepest and breathe. Inhale, slowly come up. Release your legs and lie down onto your mat for Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose. Place your feet hip width apart, fingertips touching your heel. Give a slight tuck onto your pelvic floor. Inhale, hip rises. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Relax the neck. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Take your right foot over the left knee. Grab onto the left shin and pull. Relax your neck and your upper body. Release your leg. Left foot over the right knee. Grab onto the right shin and pull. Slowly release your legs, release your hands, and completely relax in Shavasana.